Hey, Lynette here, and these are the Allure Beauty Box spoilers for the month of November from my subscription addiction. As always, we'll have all the products listed in the description box below so you guys can check those out, see if you're excited about them, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Here we go. Alright guys, so what did you think of those Allure spoilers? Are you digging them, hating them? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, like always, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Have a good day, guys.